Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hi. So you want to know more about what makes an air conditioner cold? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about what makes an air conditioner cold is malaysia.answers.yahoo.com. See the page titled What Make an Air Conditioner Cold? Yahoo. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site answers.yahoo.com, especially the page What Makes an Air Conditioner Cold. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.energyvanguard.com. The web page The Magic of Cold, Part 1, How Your Air Conditioner Works. This is the link.